Hello and welcome back to my channel. We're in the month of February already, and I have some exciting news that I want to share with you guys. A new product that Mary Kay have came out with, and it is the Clinical Solutions. If you've been following me on Facebook and in my VIP group, I've been talking about it for weeks. And so now it's finally here. I started my retinization process on last night. So this is a fresh face. I haven't washed my face yet this morning. So I just want to kind of like see what it feels like. My results have been great. I didn't feel any burning, any tingling, anything. So I just did the process of applying it, and I didn't have to put no milk on there. Milk is always the soothing effect of the product, so I didn't have to use any of that. So this is what it looks like. This is the, let's get it out of here. I can't even get my nails to get it out. All right. This is the retinol. And I don't know why it's so hard to come out. And this is the common milk. Retinol common milk. So I'm going to briefly try to tell you about the process of the clinical solutions. So hang on, I'm going to tell you all about the retinol thing. So because it's brand new, I'm still reading, so I want to be able to give you the right information. I don't want to be talking off the top of my head, but I'm going to read what this pamphlet says. It's come with this pamphlet. It tells you about your 8 week. You have a chart so you can keep up with it. So I'm just going to give you a brief overview of it. Amplify your age fighting. Mary Kay Clinical Solution Retinol 0.5 set. It says Mary Kay Clinical Solution Retinol 0.5 set introduces a new level of dermocosmetic performance to complement your nighttime skincare routine. If you're serious about taking care of your skin, you'll love this new serum powered by pure retinol. It is the gold standard ingredient dermatologists recommend for adults of every age to prevent signs of visible aging you cannot see yet and reverse advanced visible signs of aging. Why is it so effective? Retinol stimulates surface skin cell renewal, so skin appears more as it did when you were younger. It supports natural collagen, elastin, improving the appearance of collagen depleted skin. And so as we talked about it, this is the retinol here. And so only thing that you're doing is using a pea size. It's just that little bit right there. It's not a whole lot. And with that, it says Mary Kay Clinical Solutions Retinol 0.5 takes offensive against a trifecta of age-related issues, wrinkles, discoloration, loss of facial firmness, and all it takes is a pea-size amount, one pump. The second step is our common milk. We showed you that common milk. Mary Kay Clinical Solutions Calm Plus Restore Facial Milk features plant oils, coconut, java seed, sunflower, and olive to deliver a power shot of rich fatty acids to nourish, soothe, ideal for retinal treated skin. So it's just 2 steps. 2 steps. And remember I told you about the calendar that we was given. It's an 8-week process. And it says 8 weeks to train your skin, 8 weeks to amazing. As a first-time use of pure retinol, Mary Kay's gentle retinization process is recommended for you. Mark 1 box the night you begin usage and another each night you reapply. And you have to follow the guidelines, guys. And this is amazing. Like I said, last night I did the first time. So what I do, normally I wash my face. my time-wise repair cleanser. Wash my face. Wait 5 to 10 minutes. Kind of let your face calm down from rubbing it. Just 5 to 10 minutes. This is especially if you have sensitive skin. So I did that. And then you want to apply your eye cream. So I applied my eye cream.
Eye cream is the
And then the next step I did was one pump. And then 2 pumps of this. And then I just mixed it in my hand. Applied it on my face. You want to avoid your eyes. That's why we did our eyes first. And just on my chin. I didn't do nothing to my neck. Then I let that sit for a few minutes just to make sure I didn't have any kind of reaction. See, do I feel any tingling, burning? I did not feel any tingling, burning, nothing. So that was a plus. That was my only concern about it. I did force your face. You don't know. I do have, I use a Time Rise Repair Night Cream, and it has encapsulated retinol in it. So my face is used to retinol, but not pure retinol. So that was another thing that, you know, kind of made it easy for me. I wouldn't be scared of putting pure retinol on my face. And so after that, I applied my night cream and we was done. So awesome. So 1 time a week for 8 weeks, this what we're going to be doing. As the time go by, so week 1 and 2, we're going to apply it 1 time. And 3 and 4, same thing. And then week 5 and 6, we're going to do it 2 times a week. And week 7 and 8, we're going to do it 3 times a week. So I'm looking forward to it. But this is my face. It looks great to me. I haven't even washed my face this morning. I just want to get on the video and see what it looks like. But yeah, I'm excited about this new Mary Kay Clinical Solutions. Please let me know if you would like to purchase this or you have any questions concerning this, and continue to follow my journey. I will be doing it for the whole 8 weeks. I will try to do a video every week that I'm applying it. So stay tuned, and I'm excited about this new Mary Kay Clinical Solutions. I'm kind of tongue-tied this morning. I am tongue-tied. Clinical Solutions, Mary Kay. Retinol and the common milk, the facial milk. We call it milk. Got milk? Just want to say with this right here, guys, if I did experience anything, dryness, itching, burning, I can apply this common milk throughout the day. But I do not. Only thing that I noticed that I had a pimple right here. And so that's dry. And that's normal. If I wasn't doing the retinol processing, it still will become dry. But I have a dry patch right here from the pimple. But that's it. Amazing. But yes, I'm loving it already, guys. My face feels different already. I don't know if that makes sense. I just completed my 21-day skincare challenge too. Me and I had another, Nicole. She graciously joined me. We did it for 21 days. We washed our face morning and night. So it just gets you into a routine of doing it every day. Same way you get up and brush your teeth, take a shower. It's the same things, guys. You just a few minutes to wash your face. It is that simple. So I hope everyone wants to join this. So stay tuned, because I'm definitely going to come back in this 8 weeks so you can see a difference. So once again, you can follow me on my Facebook page, Darmeshia MK VIPs. And then I have my Mary Kay page as well. And if you have not, please like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions concerning this new product, Clinical Solutions. All right, have a great day.